Have you ever wondered why just a small piece of chocolate can make your heart melt? The answer lies in the magical journey we are about to explore today. Let's turn back time to the year 1900, when the very first Hershey chocolate bar was born, creating an iconic symbol of sweetness in America. But what gives Hershey its unique allure? It's not just the distinctively sweet yet slightly tangy flavor, it's also the story behind each chocolate bar, a story filled with inspiration and artistry. The journey begins in the tropical rainforests, where cacao beans are carefully harvested. Each tiny cacao bean holds the potential to become the soul of the chocolate bars we love. With meticulous attention to every step of the process, Hershey ensures that only the finest quality cacao beans make it to the factory. At the factory, the cacao beans undergo a roasting process lasting 35 minutes, unlocking their delightful and captivating flavor. Next, the beans are ground into a fine cacao powder, the foundation of all types of chocolate, from bold dark chocolate to smooth and sweet milk chocolate. However, Hershey's true secret lies in the conching process, which lasts over 3 days. During this time, the mixture of cacao, milk, and sugar is blended to eliminate all bitterness, resulting in a silky texture and the signature sweet flavor. But the magic doesn't stop there. Hershey also incorporates the freshness of premium milk, delivered directly from farms within a 100-mile radius. Partnering with Land O'Lakes, Hershey ensures that every drop of milk retains its creamy richness and purity, contributing to a uniquely unmistakable flavor. Yet, the sweet journey doesn't end here. Step into the world of Reese's, where you'll experience the perfect harmony between premium chocolate and high-quality peanut butter. Reese's begins its story with peanuts carefully selected from the southeastern United States. Each peanut is roasted to perfection, releasing an aromatic fragrance before being blended with sugar, a touch of salt, and whipped into smooth, creamy peanut butter, a rich and irresistible filling. A velvety layer of milk chocolate envelopes the peanut butter filling, creating a flawless structure. After being chilled and meticulously inspected, each Reese's cup is wrapped in its signature orange packaging, ready to win over chocolate and peanut butter enthusiasts everywhere. Every day, millions of Reese's cups and Hershey bars are produced, enough to create a chocolate river, flowing far and wide. But behind each product lies craftsmanship, precision, and a deep love for the art of chocolate making. The next time you savor a Hershey bar or a Reese's cup, pause for a moment and imagine the journey these humble cacao beans and peanuts have taken to reach your hands. Doesn't the flavor become even more special when you know about the intricate processes that have crafted it? Join us on this ongoing adventure, where every piece of chocolate is not just a treat, but a story, a sweet and emotional journey.